So students, now we are discussing the question number 12 here, in which a triangle ABC is given and a circle inside which touches all the sides of this triangle. The radius of this circle is 4 centimeter here, and the distance CD is given 6 and DB is 8. We assume that the length AF is X centimeter here. We know that from the external point, the length of two tangents are always equal. That's why taking CD equals to CF. CD and CF are 6. This is. And BD is equals to BE. Both are 8. So we are writing here BD equals to BE 8. And AF is equals to AE. X, then this is also X. AF and AE both are X. So now the total length of this AC side and AB side. AC is sum of AF and CF. So sum of this side AF and CF is AC. That is X plus 6. And now if we want to talk about AB, then sum of AE plus BE, that is X plus 8. This one is AB. And the length of BC is CD plus BD, which means 6 plus 8, 14. So the BC is called small a, AC called small b, and AB called small c. Now how we can calculate the semi-perimeter of a triangle? The process is sum of all sides divided by 2. So finding semi-perimeter S of this triangle ABC, which is given by A plus B plus C by 2, that is sum of all these sides by 2. So what we have here? 14 plus X. This is the value of semi-perimeter S. Now the area of this triangle ABC by Heron's formula, as we know that area of triangle is given by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The value of S is 14 plus X here. So put S 14 plus X. Now S minus A, that is 14 plus X minus 14. S minus B 14 plus X minus X plus 6. So दोनों के साइन चेंज कर दिए, minus X minus 6, and do the same work in that. Here is 14 cancelled with 14, X remaining part. In third bracket, X cancelled with X, and fourth X cancelled with X. So we have this one. Now we want to solve this problem continuously. What we are having here, 14 plus X as it is, X as it is, and the product of these two is 48. This 48 can be written as 16 into 3. X and 14 plus X, same here. So the square root of 16 is given by this. 3x and 14 plus x inside the bracket we have. This is the area of this triangle ABC, centimeter square we have. Now we can also calculate the area of this triangle by another method. If we are joining these vertices to the center, then we have three more triangles: COB, the first one, AOB, the second one, and AOC, the third one. And by the use of area's formula of triangle 1 by 2 base into height, we can easily calculate the area of these three triangles. So area of AOB, the baseline is this AB, which is X plus 8, and the perpendicular means height is OE 4. 1 by 2 into AB into OE. The value of AB is X plus 8, whereas the value of OE is 4. 2 cancel 4 2 times, So 2x plus 8 centimeter square. This is the area of AOB. Now we can calculate the area of AOC by using same formula. Area of AOC is equal to 1 by 2 into AC into OF. The baseline is AC and height is OF. So substitute the values. AC is x plus 6, whereas OF is 4. 2 cancel this 4 2 times. So 2x plus 12 centimeter square. This is the area of AOC. Now we want to find out the area of BOC, which is again 1 by 2 base BC into height OD. That is 1 by 2 into 14 into 4. That is same 2 times 28 centimeter square. So we know that the sum of all these three areas should be equal to area of this triangle ABC. Since area of ABC is equal to area of AOC is a plus area of BOC plus area of AOB. Sum of all these three should be equal to this one. So write the values here. 4 root 3x into 14 plus x. And now the addition of all these three. 2x plus 8 AOC, 2x plus 12 plus 2x plus BOC is 28. And the last one is 2x plus 8. So adding all these 4x plus 48 and here is 16, sorry. So we are having here 16, 28 मतलब 56. By mistake when I write here 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. That's why we are using this. So divide by 4 in that side, we are having here 3x into 14 plus x is equal to x plus 14. अब इस रूट 14 प्लस x का डिवाइड उधर दे दें तो रूट 3x इज इक्वल टू रूट x प्लस 14. स्क्वायर कर दीजिए दोनों तरफ का. Look at here. If we are squaring of these two, then what we get? Square of this one is 3x and square of that one is x plus 14. Taking x in this LHS side, the remaining part is 2x which is 14. So x is 7. So the value of x is 7 here. Then what is the length of AC? 6 plus 7, 13. What is the length of AB? 8 plus 7, 15. Therefore, AC is 6 plus 7, 13 centimeter, and AB is 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter. These are the side length. The third one is already given here, 14 centimeter. इस तरह से अपन इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Now if you want to discuss the seventh problem, and these two concentric circles are given here. This is the first one and this is the second one. Concentric in the sense their center is same. One chord is drawn here which is tangent to the other circle, and we want to find out the length of this one. So the radius of the larger circle is 5 and the radius of a smaller one is 3, and we want to find out the length of AC. For that, in triangle AOB, what we are having here, AB square is equals to AO square minus OB square by PTH. This is our question number 7. So we have to find out the length of AB. Substitute the values here. This is 25 minus 9 gives us 16. Taking the square root of this one, which is 4. So the length of AB is 4. Similarly, BC is also 4. So length of chord AC is given by AB plus BC, which means 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. This is the answer of this 7th problem.